In the last video that we looked at the double dragon, it's a knot that I just recently learned, and this is the way I learned it. And I had a viewer, Serena Lattanzi, who she had a little different method on how to form this so that the standing in laid in the center of the two chords that make up the loop instead of offset to one side like it is in the version that I've shown. Now, she said that what she did was make the wraps in the opposite direction. So I played around with it a little bit, and I think I came up with an even a little bit better method for using her suggestion to get it into the center and make it a more symmetrical knot, but formed a little bit differently, and I want to show you that right now. Now, the way that I showed this to be tied originally, you start out in this S pattern. Well, to get the more symmetrical version of this knot, what we want to do is run it a little bit differently. So what we're going to do is turn it over the top of the standing in. So basically what we have is a really elongated underhand loop that we're going to start with. Then we're going to pinch these two together, and we're going to pinch this one together and lay it on top of those two. Now we're going to go in the opposite direction for our wrap. So we're going to go one wrap and two. I didn't quite leave myself enough cord, so let me start over here. Okay, so pinch those two together, set that one on top. Then you can wrap twice going in this direction. Now you can adjust your loop sizes pretty easily, just like before. And then we'll take this, we'll fold it over, pinch that down, draw it up, and we'll get the knot dressed. There we go. And now the double dragon sits, the standing in sits right in the middle of the loop here on the two chords that make up the loop. So that's actually a lot better looking knot than what the original was, that set offset to one side. So I like her version a lot better. I guess we'll just, I don't think we're going to change the name of it. We'll just call it, it's just a little bit more symmetrical double dragon. So this is the version that I think lays a little better. I don't know if it performs any better, but it definitely looks nicer. So thank you, Serena. I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.